Hey, welcome to Earning with dōTERRA. I'm Jeff Heggie, and today what I want to do is dive into the exciting opportunity that's truly unique and unmatched in the world of network marketing. We'll walk through the many ways that you can earn money through dōTERRA's compensation plan by sharing dōTERRA products with family, friends, or anyone else looking for essential oils and foundation wellness products. So, whether you're looking to earn right away or build a sustainable, flexible business over time, there's opportunities for everyone. So let's get into it. There's four main ways that you can earn with dōTERRA, and they fall into two categories: commissions and bonuses. And we're going to go step by step through each of these and show you the different earning opportunities. So first up is the fast start. This commission can be earned weekly and is designed to provide you with income right away. As you start sharing your products with friends and family and people that want to build a business, when they purchase, you're quickly rewarded for that. When your new member joins dōTERRA, you can earn 20% on their first order and any additional orders they place in the first 60 days. To qualify for the fast start, you got to keep your monthly orders going. This is important to remember. As a wellness advocate, to qualify for your commissions and bonuses, you always have to have your monthly reward order of 100 PV or more entered into the system. You're always able to change that order each month, but make sure you have the 100 PV reward order set up at all times. Now, the Fast Start pays out 3 levels to qualified members. This means that as your new members enroll their own new people, you can benefit and receive the 10% and 5% Fast Start product sales commissions on top. Let's look at an example. Let's say that your new member places an enrollment order of 200 in commissional volume in the first 60 days. You receive 20% of that order, which equals a Fast Start commission of $40. The person who introduced you to dōTERRA would receive a 10% Fast Start commission of $20, and the person who introduced them would receive a 5% Fast Start commission, which is equal to $10. So imagine enrolling 2 to 4 people each week. Having those people bring in 2 to 4 people each week. You can see how fast the Fast Start can really start to add up for you. Now let's look at the Power of 3 bonus. It's designed with growth in mind. This bonus guides you in structuring your business for reliable customer support and long-term stability. As you focus on supporting new customers and retaining those customers, you can unlock the Power of 3 bonus in your business, and it can be amazing for you. The Power of 3 bonus is paid out monthly and in set amounts of $50, $250, and $1,250. To start, let's talk about the $50 bonus. To qualify for the $50 Power of 3 bonus, you need to meet 2 requirements each month. First, you need to place a personal rewards order of at least 100 PV, and second, you need to reach a minimum of 500 in rewards volume on your front line. So let's take a look at this. Here you can see that first requirement, placing your own personal rewards order of 100 plus PV, and here you can see the second requirement, creating 500 or more in rewards volume from any number of people on your front line. Now your front line simply means those who are on your first level right underneath you. When you have an accumulation of at least 500 in rewards volume in your front line, that's called a pod. And I want you to remember that because we're going to talk more about that. But the 500 rewards volume is your pod. So keep in mind that at least 100 of this 500 rewards volume needs to be from personally enrolled members, or in other words, people you personally introduced and signed up into dōTERRA. And that's it. Once you meet these requirements, you can earn the $50 bonus. But that's just the start. From here, you can help 3 people do the same thing. You can help 3 people on your front line create their pod, and now you can upgrade to the $250 bonus. So that's where the whole power of duplication comes in. Educating your front line to do exactly what you did. Now, let me show you how you can earn an additional $1,000 a month. Keep the structure you have in place and take it down one more level, helping 3 people under each of them to create their pods as well. It's all about duplication and helping your team share dōTERRA products that they love. All right, if you thought that was amazing, wait until you hear about the Power of 3 boost. This is pretty cool. The boost doubles your $50 or your $250 Power of 3 bonus. And this chart here shows us how. The middle section highlights the growth metric called the personal growth volume, or PGV for short. So let's talk about it. Personal growth volume is a metric that can show you how your personal effort is growing. It's the total amount of rewards volume in the current month from personally enrolled members who enrolled in the previous 12 months. Said differently, What we're looking for is new volume coming in from rewards orders from those that enrolled within the last year. This chart shows an example of how PGV is calculated using rewards volume from the last 12 months. You'll look at your personal enrollments, the people that you signed up, and any volume from their doTERRA rewards orders, and add up that total amount of volume for that month. So in this example, we have Jenna, Emily, Scott, and Eve. So let's say Jenna enrolled in January. Her rewards volume starts being calculated in February of 2025. Emily enrolled in February, and her volume starts being calculated in March. Scott and Eve both enrolled in March, and their volume starts in April. What you'll do is add up the total rewards volume from those monthly orders, and you can see those total numbers here in the last row. So your PGV will grow as you continue to introduce more people to doTERRA products, help them see the power of essential oils in their lives, and find those products that become monthly staples that they order month after month. If we look at this example, you can earn $500 by qualifying for the 250 Power of 3 bonus and reaching a personal growth volume of 800 to achieve the $250 Power of 3 boost. This is awesome. All right, Unilevel. This commission is based on ongoing product sales and can be earned after a new member's first 60 days. So your customers who order consistently and love the doTERRA products will help support your Unilevel commissions on a monthly basis. As people under you order throughout the year, you earn a percentage of every order placed. The more your team grows, the more Unilevel you can make. This is all about customer and business retention. You're rewarded for establishing and maintaining customers who love the doTERRA products. To maximize your payout on Unilevel, the doTERRA compensation plan lets you earn the highest percentage on the lower levels, where the majority of your volume is going to be. So doTERRA wants to support you to create a team and customer base that orders regularly and provides you a stable and lasting income. Let's take a look at how this translates into rank qualification. To qualify for the rank of executive, for example, you'd need a personal monthly volume of 100. And you've probably noticed that this is a consistent number that we talk about. You have to have a 100 PV order every month, and that's going to qualify for all your commissions and bonuses, whether you're an executive or a presidential diamond. That's all you need to order. But you'd also need an organizational volume of 2,000 from sales within your organization. If you meet these requirements, you qualify as an executive and would be eligible to earn 3 levels of Unilevel commission. As you reach higher ranks in doTERRA, your opportunities for income continue to grow based on team size, customer volume. So remember, Unilevel is more than just about what you bring in. It's also about those your team brings in. Let's talk about pools. Pools are set up as an additional reward to incentivize top performing leaders. As you continue to grow and reach new ranks, you can earn from these pools. Pools are paid monthly, and doTERRA takes 8% of their global company volume and divides it among 6 different pools. Every rank premier and above benefits from the worldwide doTERRA company volume or sales. To go a little further into details, here are the various pools a leader can earn shares in. You'll notice that certain ranks can sometimes earn from multiple pools. So we'll go into a few of these. I'm going to leave this up just for a moment so you can look at it, but we'll go into some details of each one of these. All right, let's start with the empowerment pool. Members who achieve the rank of premier or silver earn 1 share from this pool when they achieve rank and enroll 1 member with 100 PV or more. So gold are eligible to earn up to 2 shares from this pool, 1 for each new member they enroll with 100 PV or more that month. Here's an example based on the rank of premier. Each month you achieve the rank of premier and personally enroll 1 member with an enrollment order of 100 plus PV, you're eligible to receive 1 share in the enrollment pool. Here we have the leadership pool. The leadership pool rewards the ranks of silver through platinum just for qualifying each month. You see here for numbers of possible shares, silver is 1, gold 5, platinum 10. So for example, if you achieve the rank of gold, you receive 5 shares from the leadership pool. Additionally, if you enroll 2 members with enrollment orders of 100 PV or more, you'll also receive 2 shares from the empowerment pool. That's a total of 7 shares. Let's take a look at the performance pool. This pool is specifically for the ranks of platinum through presidential diamond. When you achieve one of these ranks, you qualify to earn the number of shares shown here on the left. Now, when I'm talking left, if you look under platinum, you see number of possible shares 1/3. I'm talking about number 1 there. Now, if you meet the growth requirement shown for the rank, you're eligible to receive the higher number of shares on the right. And we'll talk more of the growth requirements in just a moment. So here's an example of a diamond rank leader. If you achieve the rank of diamond and you meet the growth metrics required, called TGV, which I'll explain in a moment, you'll get to receive 4 shares in the diamond pool and 4 shares from the performance pool. The best part about this is that you can qualify for shares in multiple pools and continue to grow your team. All right, let me explain this growth metric. Team growth volume, or TGV, is defined as the total amount of volume in the current month from team members who enrolled or reactivated in the previous 12 months. Now, this volume is calculated with a defined number of sponsored levels, which is determined by your rank. This example helps show how team growth volume is calculated. We're only showing volume on levels 1 through 3 here, but keep in mind that volume can be calculated up to 7 levels depending on your rank. Those with the red X's on them, they don't count towards TGV. So let's talk about why. So Kate's volume doesn't count because she was enrolled in the same month we're calculating volume for. And Drew's volume doesn't count because his enrollment date is more than 12 months ago. So remember, for TGV, we're looking at volume in the current month from those that are enrolled or reactivated in the previous 12 months. So why does TGV matter? It helps to maximize your earning in both Unilevel and pools. By meeting the team growth volume requirements for Unilevel, you can ensure commissions earnings on deeper levels, where you're able to earn higher percentage commissions, and when you meet the TGV requirements for the pools, you can tap into additional shares. So there you have it, the dōTERRA compensation plan. You can see from what we've talked about that there are multiple different ways for you to earn depending on your lifestyle and how invested you choose to be. So there's something for everyone, whether you want to start slow or you're ready to dive right in. I want to leave this up for a moment for you to look at, but I want to take a minute to highlight the incredible opportunity that lies ahead. This rank spreadsheet shows what's possible when you choose to grow with us in dōTERRA. If you're not sure how much time, effort, and energy you want to put in, dōTERRA has an amazing opportunity to earn $500 with products that help you personally live a healthier lifestyle and at the same time encourage others to do the same. If you know me personally, you know that I'm a huge advocate for the Foundational Wellness Bundle and have many different personal stories and testimonials about these products. So I want to show you this powerful program that they've got set up here, but you start by subscribing yourself to the Foundational Wellness Bundle. Then you help 4 other people that you care about do the same thing and subscribe. This will give you $100. Now, when you help 3 of those 4 people do the same thing and keep enrolling, you're at your $500. If you're worried that you don't have enough sales experience, don't worry about it. You don't need that. You'll be amazed at how much happens just through regular conversations. And really, if you know me personally or know someone on my team that sent you this video, ask about the app that we're using as a team that's helping make this even so much easier. So can you see how this could be a fit into your lifestyle? Whether you're looking to make a little extra to pay for your kids' dance classes, make a car payment, or a house payment even, dōTERRA has a place for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to the person that sent you this video and we'd love to help you. Reach out to the person that sent you this, or you can go get more information at jeffheggie.com/opportunity, and whatever we can do to help you out and educate you more and tell you more about this opportunity, we'd love to do that.